Title: Glimmer, the promise of light in darkness. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word glimmer. Glimmer is a noun that refers to a faint, flickering, or unsteady light, often seen in the dark or low light conditions. It's a term that represents a small beacon of hope. Pronunciation: pronouncing glimmer is simple, glimmer, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, the lone glimmer of the lighthouse provided hope and guidance to the lost sailors at sea. Importance: glimmers of light remind us of the power of hope and resilience, even in the darkest of times. They guide us toward better days. Conclusion: in summary, glimmer is a word that signifies the beauty of a small, flickering light and the hope it brings. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the glimmers of hope in your life and share them with others.